Well, we're eating a donut first of all. This is where conventional forming meets the ICF. Pouring a window well, 6 feet out, 7 feet across, 6 feet back in. It's a U shape. It's an 8-inch core, and this is so that we can have a big window way down deep because this house is at ground level, right? So for us to have a big window, we have to sink it way further and do a big window well. So we ran 2x8s vertical and then put like 1/2-inch wedge anchor bolts right into the wall to hold it really tight during the pour. Hammer drilled into the wall so we can run rebar dowels in and epoxy them in the whole way. So that connection should be good and secure. Still thermally broken because the only thing that's actually going through the wall and touching from the cold concrete to the ICF is just the little pieces of rebar. For the most part, it's still thermally broken. You still have your foam the whole way. Sitting on screw piles at this side and then tied into the house at the other end. That's all I got for now.